Welcome to Project Vape Light. Today we're taking apart the Boss Titanium 9000. Here you can see it's a big chunky guy. Nice silicone rubberized coating there. The top just pops right off. And there is this brown nasty sealing ring. And just like all vapes, these cylindrical types of vapes, lots of silicone to seal it right up. Prying this top cover off reveals the reservoir itself. And we take out the foam, which is split, and the heat shroud. And well, the steel cover collar ring. And that's not coming out. Okay, let's take apart the reservoir from the inside, and I think I can get something to pop the floor plate off. Or let's use this. Okay, and that's out. I should really get something else to use for that. And out comes this little cute candy-sized lithium-ion battery, which I kind of want to eat. And imagine, for such a large disposable vape, it uses such a tiny battery. And you can see here that, let's bring up the serial number, 18250, and it's only 600 milliamp hours. So it's a good thing this has a charging circuit on it. On the floor plate, the charging board is held in by these two plastic tabs. And let's get a close-up on that. Looks pretty cool, and it's not an ASIC. You can see the charging and the pumping circuit, like ICs on that, but I think this is very similar to a lot of other cylindrical type vapes. But that's all. It's a very simple design. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.